Can you only solve rational equations with proportions? That's a really great question. Sometimes you won't be able to use a proportion to solve a rational equation because there'll be too many terms. When that happens, you're going to need to solve these rational equations in a new way by clearing denominators. Let's look at an example. 6x minus 2 over x equals 8. You can see we don't have a proportion here. We can't solve this problem by using a proportion. What we have to do is we have to clear this denominator. We need to get rid of it. In order to clear it, we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by x. So watch what happens when we do that. We can say that x simplifies x, leaving us with 6x minus 2. And on this side we have 8 times x is 8x. Now you might be wondering why we had to put this x here as well as here. Well, remember, what you do to one side of an equation, you have to do to the other. So now we have 6x minus 2 equals 8x. We want to solve for x. We're going to solve this just like we would any other equation. We take 6x from both sides. These cancel, leaves us with a negative 2 on the left side of the equation. 8x minus 6x gives us 2x. Now we can divide both sides by 2, and we have negative 1 is equal to x. And this is our answer. Let's look at another one. Here we have 4 minus 2 over x plus 1 equals 10. Again, we want to clear this denominator. We're going to do that by multiplying both sides of this equation by x plus 1. On this side, the x plus 1's cancel, leaving us with 4x minus 2. We have cleared this denominator, equals 10 times x plus 1. Now let's use the distributive property on the right side to get rid of the parentheses. We can bring down the 4x minus 2. There's nothing to do there. 10 times x gives us 10x. 10 times 1 gives us 10. Now we can solve this equation. Let's get rid of this 10 first. Subtract 10 from both sides. Leaves us with 4x minus 12 equals 10x. Subtract 4x from both sides, and we're left with negative 12 is equal to 6x. We have negative 12 is equal to 6x. Divide both sides by 6. 6 goes into negative 12 negative 2 times. Negative 2 is equal to x. This is our solution. And we did this by clearing the denominators.